CDE Group is the world's leading manufacturer of wet processing equipment, primarily focusing in two main regions, which is like the virgin quarrying industry, where we excavate sand and aggregate directly from the ground. The other big focus is in the recycling market. Our equipment is used all around the world. We have sites located from Australia through into Europe, through over into the US. I head up our technical and process support team, which look after all our plants globally and effectively have the responsibility of ensuring that the CDE equipment performs as it should on a day-to-day basis. Around 2018, CDE identified the need for data and understanding of plant performance. Talking to a representative from Siemens, there was that confidence that Siemens could provide a solution that would work for us, and a little bit of research and development then led CDE to start working along with CAD IT.
So I'm Andrew Howarth. I work for CAD IT in the UK. We were asked to help CDE with their industrial IoT requirement and to get benefit from Insights Hub. They've really been a sort of blueprint for how to do an industrial IoT journey, which is very much about starting quite small. Initially just one asset, two assets that we help them connect within the first 6 months, going from 2 assets in 6 months to over 80 plants globally connected in 18 months.
As a process engineer, I understood the data that we needed to take from the systems and what potentially that data could do for us. Where CAD IT came in was the understanding of how we could best represent that data within Insights Hub, and where Insights Hub and that system came into its own was just the flexibility and expandability. Build a dashboard once and use that as your basis, and whenever you want to bring a new plant online, just take that dashboard, copy it, bring that in as the basis or your starting point for the next plant. And that's how we succeeded in rolling them out as fast as we did. The first 12 months, the big focus was about getting plants online, getting the data captured and flowing. And now where the journey has changed slightly and where the focus is about the learning and the understanding of that energy data, that water data, chemicals. Have an Insights Hub or something in the middle, ideally like Insights Hub, and co-combining both our end user data and the information coming from the plants in the field and feeding that data into a system that's also capturing right from the start of the manufacturing processes to make CDE as a manufacturing company more sustainable and leads to still being a business in another 30 years' time.